My name is Clinton Williams. I'm the Chief Product Officer of N+ Bikes. We specialise in automotive brand bicycles, and Cikada Tech is our ODM partner. Success for N+ in product development is when we have our performance targets, function, geometry and cost, and we're able to achieve those whilst keeping the styling that we develop for the bike. If we get that right, then we know that we can delight our customers. At N+, at the beginning of a program, after we've done our product plan, we put together a 3D model of the bike that we intend to make. We make sure that all the parts can fit and it meets the geometry targets. And then we do renders of that so we can see what the bike looks like, and we use that to gain brand approval. Once that's done, then we work with Cikada Tech. So what we've provided is A-class data, which is the surface of the frame. And then we work with Cikada Tech to do the B-class. In other words, the internal structure and the methods to get it tooled and make sure that it can be designed for manufacturability. There's a natural tension in the process. Cikada Tech and N+ challenge each other constructively during development to make sure that our needs for performance, geometry and styling can be met with Cikada Tech's needs for manufacturability, assemblability. And this works really well. The other thing that helps this is Cikada Tech's understanding of drawing accuracy. Every dimension and tolerance on their drawings is a commitment by Cikada Tech to get it right. That way, when we hit our first tooling stages and first off-tool parts, we have very little mistakes, and it makes us move fast. It all works because we speak the same language, parts and drawings. And with that, Cikada Tech bring strong capability in 3D CAD. They use SolidWorks, which they're incredibly skilled at. They can do FEA analysis for us. They've got in-house test jigs. They can rapidly prototype and get things done for me so quickly. The second bit is they're incredibly well connected in the industry. So that means I can have multiple suppliers, I can go out to competitive bid, I can get answers so quickly, and it really helps. The other part too is it's not just about building a bike, we've got to make sure that it's robust and durable, and Cikada Tech help us get us through verification, validation testing and certification. Cikada Tech help us manage our costs with frequent renegotiation with suppliers. If there's any slippages in lead time, they proactively step in and try and find alternate ways for us to achieve timing. Also, the quality systems in place at Cikada Tech are world-class. They have all the processes that we need to ensure that we get a quality product at the end of mass production. Cikada Tech is a true partner. I have no hesitation recommending them.